Hi, it's Anna Hatfield for Bio 225, Week 3. This is part 2 of our lab for Week 3, our Exercise 2 differential stains. This is all part of the bacterial morphology and staining techniques. Part 1, we did the direct and negative slide where we swabbed the inside of our mouth. Now we are going to be using, I think you can see it there. Let me see. I've sterilized my space or disinfected my space with some bleach, 10% bleach, and now I have, let's see, I have my alcohol, my little inoculation loops. They've been sitting in that alcohol, and I have my samples here. So I've already gone ahead and labeled my slides. This is the Cerevisiae slide, and I got my epidermitis slide, and the E. coli. So the first one I'm going to do is the E. coli. There it is, my little beauty. I'm going to go ahead and sterilize. I'm going to light up my candle here. I think you can see it. And now that it's sterile, my little loop, I'm going to place it down on my napkin there. I'm going to open this up. And I'm going to sterilize. If you can see it. Okay, I'm passing it through the flame so it can become sterile. Now, I'm going to carefully, without touching the rim, get my E. coli sample and mix it up a little bit in there. Get a good sample. And I'm going to place it in the center of my circle I drew. Use a little bit more here. Okay, just circular motions there. I just did that. Okay, transfer the liquid into the loop for the dim size. So we did that. We went ahead and transferred some E. coli sample. Now I'm going to sterilize this again. And I'm going to place the cap on it. I'm going to go ahead and do the same procedure for the other two samples for the Cerevisiae and the epidermis. So I'm gonna also pass my my samples over the flame. So let me do that right now with the E. coli. Oops. I'm gonna do that a total of 5 times. Do not hold the slide directly into the flame because it will destroy the sample. That's good to know. And let's do it. Let's see, repeat, allow it to cool. Okay, so here we go. That's that. Okay. Well, actually, I only did it 3 times, I think. There we go. Total of 5 times. So that's going to be interesting to see. I'm going to go ahead and perform the same exercise for Cerevisiae. Actually, I'm going to do the epidermises, I think that's how you say it. First, I got to sterilize the rim here. Okay. I think I overdid it. Oh, I gotta get another loop. I was gonna use my E. coli. Got another loop here that's been sitting in the alcohol, rubbing alcohol, disinfecting. And go ahead and work that up. This is the epidermides. I'm going to place that in the center. That's a good amount. Go ahead and sterilize again before I put the cap back on. And that's that. Make sure it's shut nice and tight. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and also pass it over the flame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let that sit for a while, and I'm going to start the Cerevisiae, and that is the second part to our exercise here for bacterial morphology and staining techniques. I'm going to go ahead and wait for these to dry and place them. Oh, actually, before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and place them in my staining dish. So let me see if the E. coli is ready. No, it still looks wet. So actually it could. I'm going to put this in here because I'm reading along. I'm going to add 1 to 2 drops of the Crystal Violet Gram Stain 1 for my let's see, repeat steps 1. Allow it to completely air dry. So the E. coli has to completely air dry. And I already put it over the heat. Repeat steps 1 through 11. Cerevisiae and epidermides. Place the samples in this. Okay, so I'm not going to do that for the E. coli. I'm just going to let it sit dry. But for the epidermides, I'm going to take it and put it in my staining dish. And I'm going to put, place the sample side up of the staining tray. Add 1 to 2 drops of the Crystal Violet stain. So here is the Crystal Violet stain. And I'm going to place that on my epidermides. So there's 1. Oh, 1 was enough. Okay, I put 2. I'm going to let that sit for 60 seconds. I'm also going to do that to the Cerevisiae. And yeah, that concludes my experiment. Once they are nice and dry, and I have washed away the staining with tap water, just in the dish, I'm gonna go like this, and I put the water in there a little bit, let it come out, and once they're dry, then I will be able to take pictures of them in their from the microscope. So I'm excited. Thank you.